The 2025 Kenworth W900, an icon reborn. This truck stays true to its classic roots while bringing in modern upgrades. But is it still the king of the road? Let's find out. Kenworth keeps the traditional long hood design, but with subtle refinements. The new LED lighting adds a sharp, modern touch, while the chrome accents keep it looking timeless. Step inside, and you'll see a perfect blend of comfort and technology. The updated digital dash provides all the essential info, while the premium materials make long hauls more comfortable. Under the hood, you get the latest PACCAR engine options, delivering power and efficiency. Whether you choose the MX-13 or the Cummins X15, this truck is built to haul with confidence. Out on the road, the W900 delivers that smooth, stable ride drivers love. The improved aerodynamics help with fuel economy, but it still has that classic big rig feel. The 2025 Kenworth W900 stays true to its heritage while embracing the future. It's tough, comfortable, and built to last. Is this the best W900 yet? Let us know in the comments. Enjoy your journey and subscribe my channel.